Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at the certified pre-owned 2019 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a night black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, black MB text interior, panorama sunroof, GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, memory seats, power windows, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the radio and media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, turn wheel for the infotainment center. This GLA has 23,436 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.